I've discovered powerful AI tools for creating and selling digital printables that can potentially earn you thousands per month. Printables are digital products, eliminating the need for physical production and maximizing profit. Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Before you go creating any AI printables, you'll want to see what's actually selling really well online first. Let's gather inspiration from Etsy, a prime marketplace for digital downloads. One lucrative niche is landscape printable wall art. For the first AI tool, I had the idea of creating a landscape printable wall art in a painting style. I can see that it's a very desirable product on Etsy. I found this shop that has already made over 62,000 sales, and they offer landscape printable wall art in a kind of vintage style, which looks really beautiful. Doing some research, I discovered that they're making over $66,000 in revenue per month, which is absolutely amazing. To create my landscape wall art, I'm going to hop onto Kittl, which is an easy-to-use graphic design software that offers multiple graphics and fonts to use in your digital products. And they now have a new AI feature. Once you've opened up an artboard, just click on Kittl AI at the bottom left over here. And you'll see under Image Styles, you can actually filter for the type of image that you want to create. So for this example, I'm going to use oil painting. This is where you're going to write the prompt and write exactly what you want the AI feature to create for you. If you need help figuring out how to formulate your sentences, just go into Learn More right over here, because they have a whole prompt book that lets you know how you should write out your sentences based on the image style that you are choosing. So I decided to try the prompt Spring Meadow with small white flowers with the sunrise in the background, and Cairo created these beautiful images for me. Now, of course, I ran the prompt a few times to get different images and see which one I preferred. Once you find one that you absolutely love, you can just drag it into the artboard. What's great about Kittl is you cannot control the DPI, so you can download this in high resolution. But before you do that, you can also make some adjustments to make this the way you want it to look. Even further on the right-hand side, you will see adjustments. So you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, saturation, and I was thinking of bringing down the contrast for this, and maybe the saturation just to make it a little bit more subtle. You could add some text if you want to, a border if you want to make it more unique. But I think the adjustments are good enough. After that, I decided to try out more prompts that included mountains, trees, a river, clouds in the background, and Kittl created these beautiful images for me. So I chose this image to make some adjustments to it and make it look exactly the way I want. You can sign up for Kittl for free using the link down below to start testing out their platform and their features. But in order to access the Kittl AI feature, you will need to purchase a subscription. You can go into pricing and take a look at the plans that they have under monthly and yearly. I'm under the expert plan, but I do believe that the pro plan is good enough just to get started. And then you can decide if you want to upgrade in the future. Let's switch it up. I found this shop that has already made over 22,000 sales, and they offer watercolor landscape wall art, which I really like. And they're generating over $5,000 a month in revenue. So we have validated that this is a profitable product. I really love this shop because they add in quotes with their watercolor landscape art, which I really like. So I might try something similar. I'm hopping on to Creative Fabrica, which is a platform that you can purchase graphics and fonts to use in your digital products. And they have what's called CF Spark, which is where you can generate AI images based on your prompt. To get some help on how to put together your prompts, they also have a prompt book where you can get some inspiration on how you can write out your sentences, just like Kittl. You can customize the style of artwork that you want to generate. So for this one, I'm doing watercolor. Now, after testing out many different prompts, I landed on watercolor pine trees and mountains, which sounds pretty basic, but it did generate a lot of different images for me that I can choose from. So now I could just download these as high-quality printables from Kittl and sell them as is. You can sign up for Creative Fabrica for free using the link down below, and you'll get your first 10 downloads absolutely for free. Right now, they're offering their yearly all access for just $4.99 a month. That does include CF Spark creations, so you can download the AI-generated images, but you cannot download the variations. So you will need to get the CF Spark subscription on top of that if you want to use the variations like I showed here. Switching gears, I've always wanted to create city artwork of Paris, London, New York. So let's try to do that. This shop, for example, offers a colorful city artwork that is just stunning. So we can definitely get some inspiration from that. And this shop is a little different, but it's made over 14,000 sales already, and it offers black and white photos of beautiful cities. So we can definitely try doing something like that as well. I'm going to try creating a beautiful city artwork using Night Cafe. I'm currently signed up for their free plan at the moment, which allows you to generate as many images as you want for free. But in order to upscale and download high-quality images, you will need to get into one of their subscriptions, which we will talk about later on. When you click under Style, you'll see that you can customize which style you want for your artwork. I've tested out many different styles and prompts, and I landed on detailed gouache, but this style generates the most beautiful images, in my opinion. So after trying many different prompts, I landed on walking in the city of Paris. I also tried walking in the city of London, and it actually generated really beautiful colorful images for me that I can use. So I didn't stop there. I brought in one of my favorite images into Kittl, resized the image, made a few adjustments, which I really didn't have to. It was beautiful as is, but I loved to test it, added in some text, and just loved how this looked. I also tested out their photo style, because I do want to create black and white photographs as well. And I tried prompts like City of Paris in pink, City of Paris in daylight. After generating the same prompt multiple times, I got so many beautiful photographs that Night Cafe generated. I can even offer these in a package if I want to. So I brought it into the same artboard in Kittl and I just adjusted it to make it black and white, used the same text, and I really liked the way it turned out. When you're ready to download an image that you want, you will have to upscale the image. But you will need to pay for more credits at some stage if you want to generate more high-quality images. You can check out their subscription page, which breaks down how many credits you get per month and how much each one of them costs. And that depends on how many images you want to generate and upscale per month. We've covered our printables up until now, so let's try different printables. Switching gears again, let's create intricate adult coloring pages and even printable planner pages using AI. This shop, for example, has already made over 26,000 sales, and they sell intricate animal face coloring pages for adults and even mandala coloring pages, which I think are really beautiful. We're going to use Leonardo AI to create these printables, which is another text-to-image generator. After Sing Up, so just go into the prompt box and generate images. Leonardo AI provides a remove background, upscale, download, and with a limited 150 token per day, so let write a prompt adult animal coloring pages with black and white, then click on generate button. After few seconds, Leonardo generate 4 beautiful images same time, but different pose and pictures. For download the image, click on download button and download. If there are any tools you'd like me to cover in even further detail in a future video, comment below and let me know which ones you're interested in. Make sure to sign up for Kittl and Creative Fabric for free using the links down below. I personally use these tools a lot when creating my printables, and I know you'll find them super useful when creating your digital products. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.